Hey guys, and welcome to another unboxing video from Pulcrum Productions. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Kekai Sentai Zenkaiger Zenkaiju gear. As you can see, it's like a little dragon robot thing. It's a cross between the Q-Rex and the Dragon Zord, and it looks really cool. And here's Super Zenkaiger and Super 2 Kaiser. This essentially gives the two Rangers super forms, like extra armor. And here they are on either side of the box. And to show you how it works with both of them, I've got my Gear Teringer and Gear Dalinger here, so you can see, so we can compare the two and how the gear works with both of them. So let's stop wasting time and get the thing out. It's just the warning, I imagine. Oh, and there it is inside its packaging. And oh my god, this is so cool. And here's a little tab here. I think we just pull that out. I'm correct, we do pull that out. So this is actually in its gear form. You get this with the packaging. Let's try this. How's this work? Oh, it's like that. Oh. It's like that, and then flip it upwards. Now this, I must say, this is probably the cutest thing, one of the cutest things I've ever seen. It just looks so cool. We've got the gear here, so we spin that. Ooh, laser blasts. This thing looks just looks so cool. Now then, let's test it out. So what you do with this thing, you just flip the head back like so, and then I'm loving it already. So let's get the Gear Teringer out. Now, I think I've mentioned that you say change Zenkai for this and change Tukai for the other. If you're using this, you just add on Super. So let's see if it goes. Okay. There we are, eventually. Now then, let's see how it works. Super change Zenkai. Whoa. So it sets off an alarm. Epic. Let's see the blast effect. So that just sets off the alarm, and hold it down. And let's see the final attack. Now I've heard that this thing lets you, now I can hear you actually lift this up for another effect. Let's try it out. Oh, okay. This essentially lets Zenkaiger grow like really, really big. Let's try it again. So there it is with the gear Talinga. Or gear Taringa. How do you get this off? Oh, is this, oh, you hold the button down. Like that. So we turn this off. Now let's try it with the... Before I do though, it's important to know that you hold this button down to release it, you know, from the gears. So let's see how it works with this one. There it is on there. No change yet. There's Super Change Tsukai. Cool. So that's the sound effect. And let's try the finishing attack. Now let's see if it does the same thing with this mode. Now that essentially shrinks Zenkaiger down to a little mini guy, like a smallish thing, and it lets him combine with Zenkaiger to become Zenkaiju. So there you have it, folks. That's the Zenkaiju gear in a nutshell. And I'll just get him back to how he was. That's this one. So yeah, pretty cool. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and let me know if you think this little guy is as cute as I think he is. And it's goodbye from me, and from the Zenkaiju gear.